There's a gut issue that's a very common health problem many people don't even know they have. If you constantly feel bloated, experience mood swings, or other symptoms, these could be early warning signs of a problem you might not even know you have, and it's leaky gut syndrome. If you're wondering how gut health can affect everything from energy levels to your skin and joints, you're in the right place. Today we'll dive into the 6 early warning signs of a leaky gut and how to repair it. Welcome to Levitas. Leaky gut syndrome is a condition in which the lining of your intestines becomes permeable or leaky. Normally, the gut lining acts as a barrier, preventing harmful substances like toxins, bacteria, and undigested food particles from entering your bloodstream. But when the gut becomes compromised, usually due to factors like poor diet, chronic stress, or imbalanced gut bacteria, these substances can leak through the intestinal wall and trigger widespread inflammation. This can lead to a variety of health issues, ranging from digestive discomfort to systemic problems that may seem unrelated to your gut at first glance. So, what are the 6 warning signs of a leaky gut? Let's uncover them now. Sign number 1. One of the most common signs of a leaky gut is bloating. But what exactly causes it? When the gut lining becomes damaged, it disrupts digestion and absorption, allowing undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream. These particles can trigger inflammation and even allergic reactions. As a result, your digestive system becomes less efficient, leading to gas buildup, abdominal discomfort, and bloating. Over time, this bloating can become chronic, signaling that something is seriously off with your gut health. If you find yourself constantly feeling bloated even after eating healthy meals, it could be an early indicator that your gut lining isn't functioning as it should. Sign number 2. The health of your gut and your skin are closely linked through what's called the gut-skin axis. When your gut lining is compromised, toxins and bacteria can leak into your bloodstream, leading to systemic inflammation. This inflammation can manifest on your skin as conditions like acne, eczema, or rosacea. Think of your skin as a mirror for what's happening inside your body. When your gut is inflamed, your skin often follows suit. For example, if you're breaking out or experiencing flare-ups of chronic skin conditions, it could be a direct result of leaky gut syndrome. Your immune system may go into overdrive, attacking both harmful and beneficial bacteria, leading to inflammation in various areas, including the skin. It's a vicious cycle. An unhealthy gut worsens skin conditions, and chronic inflammation from skin conditions can further deteriorate your gut lining. Sign number 3. Did you know that joint pain might not just be a result of aging or overuse, but could actually be connected to your gut health? As we mentioned earlier, leaky gut allows harmful toxins and bacteria to enter the bloodstream, triggering an immune response that can lead to inflammation throughout your body, including your joints. This inflammatory response contributes to the development of conditions like rheumatoid arthritis or other autoimmune diseases that affect the joints. Even if you haven't been diagnosed with a specific condition, persistent joint pain, especially when it's not linked to injury or overexertion, could be an early warning sign of leaky gut. So, if you're noticing frequent, unexplained joint stiffness or discomfort, it might be time to look at what's going on inside your gut. Sign number 4. Frequent headaches or migraines could also be a surprising sign of leaky gut. When your intestinal lining is compromised, inflammatory substances like cytokines are released into your bloodstream, which can affect the nervous system and even the brain. This is part of what's called the gut-brain axis, where the health of your gut has a direct impact on your mental and neurological health. For some people, this inflammation can trigger headaches or migraines that seem to come out of nowhere. The gut-brain axis plays a significant role in regulating mood, pain, and cognitive functions. When inflammation occurs in the gut, it can directly influence your brain, leading to neurological symptoms like headaches. If you notice that you're suffering from more frequent or intense headaches without any clear cause, it might not just be stress or dehydration, it could be your gut sending out distress signals. Paying attention to the frequency and intensity of your headaches could help you catch a leaky gut before it leads to more serious health issues. Sign number 5. Another unexpected sign of a leaky gut is mood swings. As we mentioned before, your gut and brain are closely connected through the gut-brain axis. The gut produces a large portion of your body's serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and even appetite. When your gut is inflamed or imbalanced, it can disrupt the production and function of serotonin, leading to mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. If you find yourself experiencing emotional highs and lows without any clear reason, it could be tied to the health of your gut. Gut imbalances can influence your mental state, so if you're feeling irritable, anxious, or down more often than usual, leaky gut might be the culprit. Sign number 6. Feeling tired all the time, even after a full night's sleep. Chronic fatigue is another common sign of leaky gut syndrome. When your gut is compromised, it can lead to malabsorption of essential nutrients like iron, B vitamins, and magnesium, all of which are crucial for energy production. Chronic inflammation in your gut also puts stress on your immune system, making your body work harder to fight off infections and other issues. This can leave you feeling constantly drained, no matter how much rest you get. Additionally, when harmful substances leak into your bloodstream, your body uses extra energy to fight off these invaders, which can further deplete your energy reserves. If you find yourself dragging through the day despite good sleep habits, it's possible your gut health is playing a bigger role in your fatigue than you realize. So, if these warning signs sound familiar, don't worry, there are ways to repair your gut and reverse the damage of a leaky gut. The first step is to focus on improving your diet. Start by incorporating probiotics into your daily routine. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help restore balance to your gut microbiome. You can find them in fermented foods like kefir, sauerkraut, yogurt, and supplements. These foods not only introduce healthy bacteria, but also improve digestion and strengthen the gut lining. Next, it's important to add plenty of soluble fiber to your diet. Soluble fiber, found in foods like berries and flax seeds, acts as food for the good bacteria in your gut, helping them thrive and maintain a healthy balance. Fiber also supports digestion and helps prevent constipation, which can aggravate a leaky gut. In addition to adding these gut-friendly foods, it's crucial to avoid harmful foods that can worsen your gut's condition. Stay away from sugar, which feeds harmful bacteria and yeast, leading to an imbalance in your gut flora. Seed oils, trans fats, and highly processed foods containing additives and preservatives can also contribute to inflammation and damage the gut lining, making the problem worse. Choose whole, unprocessed foods, and avoid refined carbohydrates like crackers, cereals, bread, and pasta, which spike blood sugar levels, promote inflammation, and disrupt your gut. Repairing your gut won't happen overnight, but with the right dietary changes and support from gut-friendly foods, you can start healing your gut lining, reduce inflammation, and get your health back on track. When your gut is healthy, you'll not only feel better physically, but you'll also notice improvements in your mood, energy, and overall well-being. In conclusion, leaky gut syndrome occurs when the intestinal lining becomes permeable, allowing harmful substances like toxins and bacteria to enter the bloodstream, triggering inflammation. Symptoms such as bloating, skin conditions, joint pain, headaches, mood swings, and chronic fatigue can signal gut issues. To repair a leaky gut, incorporating probiotics and soluble fiber into your diet is key, while avoiding sugar, seed oils, and processed foods will reduce inflammation. Although the healing process takes time, improving your gut health through dietary changes will lead to better digestion, energy, mood, and overall well-being. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.